What's up, everyone? My name is Adam Reese, and I'm a manager of talent acquisition and development here at Insight Global out of our Orlando, Florida office. If you're returning to the series, welcome back. If this is your first time joining, then welcome to our College to Career series. We're excited to have you. The purpose of this series is to help you transition from college to your first career. If you're stuck wondering exactly what you want to do after college, or you're even looking for a new career opportunity, not sure where to begin, you've come to the right place. Today's session is focused towards learning exactly what business etiquette means. In other words, the do's and don'ts of business professionalism. Professional will always mean professional, but now that most companies are going into a hybrid or even fully remote option, business etiquette has evolved as well. So, let's jump in and welcome to today's session, the new and improved business etiquette.
So what is professional attire? Does it mean to wear a suit? No, not necessarily. But it still means to be clean cut, dress sharp. And there's a lot of reasons why business professional is always the best option. It helps you make a great first impression. It promotes a professional respect from the person you're meeting with. But most importantly, it helps increase your self-confidence as a professional. Anytime you're attending a career event or interviewing, it's always better to overdress than underdress. When in doubt, do without.
Now, with that said, a lot of companies have moved to a smart casual attire setting. As companies have transitioned back into working in a hybrid setting or even fully remote, they're also redefining what is appropriate work attire. I still always suggest going into your career search with the dress to impress mentality. But if a company suggests smart casual for an interview or an event, make sure you know what smart casual is. For reference, what I'm wearing is smart casual. Smart casual is professional, polished, simple, well-fitting workwear. Examples would be a sharp button-down, a polo, or a solid colored t-shirt or blouse. It also includes dark wash jeans with no rips, professional slacks, or skirts and dresses at an appropriate length. Think about what you would wear to a really nice dinner with your parents or grandparents. That is smart casual.
It's 100% true that first impressions are everything. First impressions start with time management for an event, an interview, a virtual call, or any type of appointment. So always plan ahead to be on time. I can't stress it enough. It's the best first impression of any setting, virtual or in person. Time management shows that you respect the time an employer has taken out of their day to meet with you. So make sure you reciprocate the feeling of appreciation by arriving in a timely manner for them. If you are meeting someone virtually, make sure you have the scene set. A quiet, distraction-free setting, great lighting, and your best professional attire like we just discussed. If you're attending the event in person, give a firm handshake or maybe a fist bump these days. Have a great smile and come with high energy. Either way, don't overthink it and remember that passion and confidence are the key to every first impression.
Good communication skills will almost always lead to a successful outcome. That's why it's incredibly important to know the do's and don'ts of professional communication in a career search. The first part of being a great communicator is being a good listener and the ability to stay focused on the person you're interacting with. In being a great listener, you'll show that you're engaged in the conversation, can ask appropriate follow-up questions, and drive the conversation further, whether it's a personal or professional topic. Make sure you tailor your conversation to your audience. For example, you might not want to talk about tailgating this last weekend on a game day unless your meeting brings up a social topic like that. No matter where the conversation goes, keep your energy high, focus on the person you're speaking with, and know your audience.
Now that we've covered what professional communication consists of, let's discuss the don'ts. What qualifies as unprofessional communication? For example, criticizing your previous employer or workplace. Speaking negatively about yourself, having a lack of energy and excitement, or coming with little to no questions prepared, these can all come off as unprofessional. Overall, just remember to avoid anything negative, controversial, or vague, as well as anything that shows a lack of excitement or makes you appear unprepared.
We've covered business etiquette in a professional manner, but how do you act in a social professional setting? If you're at lunch, keep your elbows off the table and sit up straight. Make sure you order something that allows you to take small bites and try not to talk with food in your mouth. If you're at happy hour, make sure you grab a bite to eat before you arrive and take your time to enjoy each drink. Remember, this is a business happy hour, not brunch with your friends. No matter the setting, remember to be the host. A social setting is a great way to let your personality shine in a more comfortable atmosphere, which opens up the opportunity you have to make meaningful conversation and build relationships. Proper business etiquette in these settings can sometimes be a little tricky because they aren't always typical settings in your career search. Just know that if you have an interview or interaction in one of those settings, remember to stay professional.
In closing, just make sure that whether you are meeting someone virtually or in person, business etiquette is crucial to have a successful career search. That means maintaining a strong and professional body language, meaning your posture, your facial expressions, your engagement, your eye contact, and clear communication. Keep in mind, if you are still searching for a career after graduation or in the market for a new career, we are still actively hiring for our internal account management recruiting roles in our 65 offices across the country. If you want to learn more about Insight Global, check out our website and apply at the link here. As always, thank you for attending today's session, and best of luck as all of you prepare for any upcoming interviews or events you have with potential employers. See you next time.